how to buy insane poses or pose token. So this token came under the symbol of pose. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check their community on X and go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 212 members there. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 6 hours ago and increased by 200% in less than 4 hours. This token trending number 9 in the Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your funds wallet for that. Click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Click I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, to select the provider, you can click on pricing, click on provider, and now select Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back and here click on swap, and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Pose token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.